Okay, let's discuss about in operator. In operator allows you to specify multiple values in where clause. So let's go back to, so I'm trying to select from the table EMP. So from this table, I'm going to select job in, and when I'm using an in condition, I can give multiple values in my bracket. So let's say clerk. So similarly, I can add a number of values here. So when I'm using an in operator, right, so I will not be able to use any of these wild cases. Wild cases only works with like, just for your information. Okay. Now let's go back and see what is a between operator. So between operator will help you to select some kind of values within a range. So these values can be numbers, text, or dates, or whatever. So this between operator, it's something like begin and ends are included. So let's try something. Uh, how be between works. So I know that there is no salary called 10,000, but if I give 10,000, it's okay. It can still retrieve all the data in between those 800 and 10,000. Let's look into something called alias. So SQL alias is it's used for tables as well as for columns. It's something like a temporary name. The alias are often used to make columns more readable. Sometimes the column you don't like when you're trying to query a column and you want to make some uh, give a different name, then you can use an alias. So let's say here, as you all know that the column names, some of these column names are not so readable. Like MGR is supposed to be the uh, number, manager number. So I can use it as manager number here, and I give this way, it's gonna print everything. Yeah, so you can see the manager number. I've given a manager number as alias, and this is just a temporary. It is not going to update anything in the table level. It will just show you how it looks like. Okay, now let's see. On a table level, I'll be explaining it to you later because when we start joins, you will come to see that. So we'll start with a join. So SQL join clause is used to combine rows from two or more tables based on related columns between them. So here you can see that there are multiple joins, inner join, left join, right join, and full outer join. So what does it inner join do? So here in this figure you can see that the table 1 and table 2, right? So the in between this green part is the data which you will be able to, when you do an inner join, you will get records only between this part. So it will include some part of this table, which is this green part, and as also for the table 2. So let's try an example here. So I'm going to do a inner join, select star from EMP, E inner join with department D on. So the joins are when you try to when you're doing an inner join or any join, you have multiple ways of using it. So there is an older version and newer version of joins which we use it. So let's go with this standard which most of the people been using recently, or at least I've been using this in a join for a while. So we'll discuss about the other part of other kind of join, but it works exactly the same way in terms of the result, and you get the same results. Okay, so in a join you have to use a on condition. Uh, on e dot emp number equal to d uh, e dot department number equal to d dot department number. So it's gonna give the records from both the tables, whichever is having department, be able to see all the 14 records. So so department table, I believe, like uh, if you see department table, it has only 7 records. So what happened, whichever table is having more records, that will be shown over, and and the remaining records, it just shows whatever it is common to that. So when you do a join here, you can see that like 40 be showing all the 40, everything, whichever is common there. So you can see this 40 is not there in the employee table. Select star from EMP where department number equal to 40. So there is no 40. So except 40, it is giving all the records for 10, 20 on a inner join.